Hey folks, today I'm going to show you this Hydrostar drain monster. This is the Harbour Freight model. As you can see, it has a foot pressure switch that goes back into the bottom here. And what that does, when you press that, it creates the air pressure kicks on the switch. However, if when you press it, you get that, you got two choices. One, well, actually three. You can keep taking this out and reconnect it into that, but it'll happen every couple minutes, so get rid of that. Second choice, you can blow air into here, squeeze this back, and we're good. Third choice, permanent fix. If you have an old blood pressure monitor and you have one of these on there, the little ball valve with the little stopper, there you go, guys. Now I'm gonna put this on the ground to show you this one. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this line. I'm going to insert into here. You have to force a little bit because of the bigger line. And got it. And got it. Now, this is what you got. Now folks, look how easy this is. One squeeze and you go on. You want to stop that puppy? Press it. So squeeze and win business. No problem, man. No holding, no nothing. And to stop it, just hit the little button that releases the air out back through this back valve. So if you have never an old pressure monitor, blood pressure monitor with one of these, forget that garbage right there, because I looked on Harbour Freight site, they sell a replacement for that, and there's nothing. So folks, quick and easy fix if your drain snake